Hey there, welcome to the UXF channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of a chord melody arrangement of Happy Birthday. Happy Birthday was a song that was under copyright until a few years ago, and then a court decided that the song was in the public domain. What we're going to do in this video is, first of all, we will talk about what chord melody is. Then I'll demonstrate the song on a GCEA, soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Then I'll demonstrate it on DGBE, which is usually baritone ukulele tuning. And then I'll do a tutorial for GCEA, and then a tutorial for DGBE ukulele. I should also mention that the song here is free for download on my website at ukestuff.info. Just go to my ukulele tabs and look for Happy Birthday. There are a couple versions of Happy Birthday. There's one also in the key of F, which is a little more difficult to play. But with that, that is a great key for singing. This one may not be, just so you know. The keys are different for GCEA and DGBE ukulele. If you want to support the work on the channel here, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. So let's talk about what chord melody is. Chord melody is a way to play the melody of a song and chords at the same time. And generally, you only use your thumb with your strumming hands. So you're not picking necessarily individual notes, you're just strumming and you're playing with your thumb. That gives the sense that you're playing the melody and the harmony all at the same time. And the way that I write, the last note that you play is the melody. So as you look down tablature, so tablature is 4 lines, string 4, 3, 2, 1. Very much like looking at your instrument this way. But as you go, if you play the highest note at any time, that's the melody. So for example, on GCA, you'd hear this. That's the melody. That's the last note in the arrangement that I'm playing. So if you ever just want the melody, that's what you can do. This is a great next step if you're moving away from just playing chords and singing to letting the ukulele do everything. And it can lead to definite other things like clawhammer, or what I call full solo playing. All right, let's get into a demonstration on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is a close full carbon fiber concert ukulele. For DGBE, I won't actually be playing a baritone. I'll be playing a concert ukulele with Pepe Romero baby baritone strings on it, so I can tune it like a baritone. All right, let's do a tutorial for Happy Birthday on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. We'll start on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Open all 4 strings. 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st string, 3rd fret. G7 chord. Back to 2nd string, 3rd fret. Now we get part of a G7 chord, but we're not going to play the 1st string. Now, 2nd string, 3rd fret, reach up to 1st string, 5th fret, and then a C chord. Back down to the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Up to the 10th fret with your pinky. Play all 4 strings. 7th fret on the 1st string, normal C chord. Repeat the 1st string. Now, this is the hardest one for me because I've got to remember where to put my finger. Play the F chord, but then add your pinky on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And then lift off your pinky. Now you're going to make a bar chord. Don't freak out about it. 1st finger across all 4 strings right above the middle 5th fret. Pull against the fretboard. Add your thumb for some support. And then play the 8th fret with your pinky as if you were playing a C chord, but just shift it up. Repeat the first string, back to open except for the first string 7th fret, down to the 3rd fret, and then finally, maybe the hardest chord other than the bar chord of the song, but it works really well here, is you're going to make an F shape at the 3rd fret. So on the 2nd string 3rd fret, first finger, and then at the same point, your 2nd finger is going to go on the 4th string, 4th fret, and then these 2 fingers are going to go on the 5th fret. That's a G7 up there, and then just a normal C chord. And that's Happy Birthday on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone ukulele. All right, on baritone, we're going to start with the 2nd string 3rd fret. Open 4 strings, then 2nd string 3rd fret, 1st string 3rd fret, then a D7 chord. Back to that 2nd string 3rd fret. Then much of a D7, but the 1st string is open. Back to the 2nd string 3rd fret, 1st string 5th fret, and then a normal G chord. Back to the 2nd string 3rd fret. Up to the 10th fret. Then play the 7th fret on the 1st string. Normal G chord. Repeat the 1st string. Then we're going to play a C chord, but we're going to add our pinky to the 1st string 2nd fret. Then lift up the pinky. Normal C chord. Now, bar chord, 1st finger across all 4 strings at the 5th fret. Pull against the fretboard, add your thumb for some support, and then reach up with your pinky to play the 1st string 8th fret. Repeat the 1st string, and then put your pinky on the 1st string 7th fret, down to normal G chord. And I would use my 1st finger there because you went from 7th to 3rd fret. And then that's going to put you in space for this D7 chord. Just slide over 1 finger then, because you're going to be on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. 2nd finger is going to go to the 4th fret up the 4th string, and then the other 2 fingers go on the 5th fret. And then normal G chord at the end. So if you go pinky, 1st finger, that makes this jump really easy. And then you can actually play that last G with the 1st finger on the 1st string 3rd fret. And that's Happy Birthday on baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this video. Again, you can find this at my website, ukestuff.info. In my ukulele tabs, look for Happy Birthday. It is not the one that's in F. This is the other version of Happy Birthday. Again, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.